UR15 is futurized. Powered by Polyscope X, our industry-leading software, UR15 is ready to be supercharged with AI to enable seamless integration and unmatched usability, delivering intelligence directly into your workstream, enhancing precision and efficiency. Paired with the world's largest collaborative robotics partner ecosystem, you can maximize productivity so intuitively it feels like it runs on instinct. You can streamline today and scale tomorrow. UR15 is backed by UR Care Services, enabling maximum uptime with remote connectivity and global on-site support, all with fixed multi-year plans. No surprises. Welcome to a new era of flexible automation. The all-new UR15. Outsized performance at arm's reach. Made by Universal Robots.